Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign messages in Bither Crypto Wallet. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, find and open Bither application on your device. Here, you need to enter your PIN code to access your wallet. After that, go to the Settings tab, which is at the top right corner of your screen. Now, click on Advanced Options. On these options, you'll need to find label name as Message Signing. Click on it and click on Message Sign from the prompt at the bottom. Now, select the address to sign message. After selecting it, you will get a pop-up to enter your password. Type in your password and click on OK button. Here, select Address to sign message. After selecting it, type in the signature here. Now click on Sign button. Now you'll need to type in your password again. After that, click on OK button. And your signed address will be here. Click on it to copy it or show a QR code of it. After that, go back. So that is how you can sign your message in Bither Crypto Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.